Hello guys. I hope you're all feeling energetic and mindful. Today I'll be discussing stock market survival strategies. Let's get started with the video. In general, we often hear about a success story or someone who got a millionaire overnight by investing in the stock market. But have you ever understood that everyone who fails or loses all of the wealth in the market is a failure? Isn't it true that no one knew about it? The video is not intended to degrade others. The video is about my past and present experiences as a trader in the stock market industry, where I encountered numerous hurdles and learned to survive. Today, there are numerous platforms available to receive daily suggestions on where to invest to double the cash, and 95% of traders follow a similar path to gain money in a short period. But, in the end, we all lose money because we don't analyze our own approaches. As a result, I'll go through a few key takeaways from my 7 years of expertise in the stock market. 1. Don't be too hurry and plain before taking any decision. Don't put any pressure on yourself to earn a particular amount. 4. Before entering the market, set the time. If you are a risk-taking trader, 9:15 a.m. would be the optimal time to enter the market to maximize your gains. 5. If you are an irregular trader who does not have time to gaze at the screen all day, try to trade or invest once the market has settled or depending on stock volatility. If you have any questions about the entry timeline, please leave a comment. So I'll make a video about it. 6. Those who are an investor for a longer term period, always invest on good liquidity stocks to get maximum profits. 7. The final and most crucial lesson would be to choose the stop loss properly. It is always critical for a trader to survive in the stock market. Trade securely, and when your aim is met, exit the screen and enjoy your profit. 8. Finally, do not wait for the stock to reverse from your stop loss price or adjust the stop loss if it has crossed the daily range. As a result, constantly prioritize your stop loss and the target you're aiming for. The risk of investing in stocks is that they can plunge to zero at any moment. This means that an investor can lose the whole investment at the drop of a hat because stocks are very volatile from day to day. Therefore, invest to make money, not to lose money. Thank you for sticking with me on my YouTube channel, Hirakne Vlogs.